Welcome back to our channel. Good to see you guys. It is a beautiful sunny day today, so guess what that means? Project time, baby. We're doing an exciting project today, so I'm going to let Jason tell you what we are doing.
Today, we're going to install some bunk windows on the side of this van, maybe even two. So, we're excited about that. Let's get started. So, before we get started on this project, I just want to make a quick shout out to Lauren Lawless. If you guys are doing a van build and want some good video content and some good solid instruction as to what to do for this step and many others, check out Lauren Lawless's YouTube page. That's Lauren Lawless, Lawliss. Shout out to Lauren.
All right, so first things first, we're going to open the package. I'll let Jason do it, even though it's my favorite thing to do. And then what we're going to do is start making our template. So Jason's going to trace around that. This will help us determine like exactly where we want to put the window. I'm not gonna lie, I'm always scared when we're using the razor blade. But that's all right. Jason does this very safely. Look at him go. Yeah, I let him do that. I'm dangerous with razor blades. Not gonna lie. So here's where we are trying to determine the placement of a window. Looks good here. All right, Jason's about to start drilling some pilot holes on our cute little template. Can't go back from here. Are you ready to make a big hole? So before Jason cuts, I took the time to hang up this tarp. It's not perfect, but the purpose of this is before he cuts, it will collect all those pesky metal shavings in there so that we can clean those up much easier and we won't be trying to dig them out of our channels. I know we didn't put this up before we drilled, but there was a couple little fragments down there that we'll get up with our magnet. But yeah, that makes the cleanup process much easier. You won't miss anything and get metal stuck in your foot. Here's our pilot holes on the outside. They guide us. So me and Jason, he does all the cutting. But yeah, we're almost ready to put a big hole in there. I'm a little nervous, but it's gonna be awesome.
And I may have shouted, we're almost there.
Kind of a quick pro tip here. We like to tape around the edges here for a couple reasons. It helps from scratching up the paint on your van, and then it also really helps guide your cutting as well. I know we have the pilot holes, but it helps. Yep, he's doing what you think he is. He's vacuuming the outside, but really what he's doing is blowing off any dust or any fragments that may be in the way. I thought it would be a good opportunity to do a little workout. And here's a quick view of Smokey. Now as we cut along this, we do go back and put some tape around the edges That helps it from being so flimsy and helps it stay in place while you're cutting it. This is exciting and scary all at the same time. We've got the hole cut and now we are removing this big piece of metal. How'd we do? Seems straight. Looks good, I think. We gave it a quick file to make sure there's no jagged edges or anything loose. Next step is just as important as the others. We sealed all of the raw metal with some Rust-Oleum enamel. That way we don't have to worry about any rust. And then after that dried, we cleaned the inside and outside with rubbing alcohol to make sure that the window adheres to the van. All right, it's time to put it in. Zadie's helping us. She's such a good helper. So I'm just basically out here holding up the window while Jason goes inside and gets all the screws in. Okay, we have the window installed and it's beautiful. Let's go look at the inside. It's so great. Oh, look at this. Oh my gosh. Bye. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to follow us along with our van build and our future adventures. Until next time, bye.